Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Toyota 86. First, get comfortable in the driver's seat and locate the 3 pedals: clutch on the left, brake in the middle, and accelerator on the right. Make sure the parking brake is firmly engaged and the gear shifter is in neutral. Then, press the clutch pedal all the way down with your left foot and turn the ignition key to start the engine. You're now ready for the next step. With the engine running, keep your left foot firmly on the clutch pedal, pressing it completely to the floor. Now, move the gear shifter into first gear. This is usually up and to the left. As you slowly lift your left foot off the clutch pedal, simultaneously apply a small amount of pressure to the accelerator with your right foot. Find that sweet spot where the car begins to move smoothly forward. Once you're moving, you'll need to shift up as your speed increases. To do this, press the clutch pedal, lift your foot off the accelerator, and smoothly shift into the next higher gear. Then, slowly release the clutch while gently pressing the accelerator again. When slowing down, you'll reverse this process, pressing the clutch, braking, and selecting a lower gear to maintain control and engine braking. To bring your Toyota 86 to a complete stop, press both the clutch and brake pedals simultaneously. As you slow down, you can downshift through the gears or simply shift into neutral once you've stopped. Once stationary, engage the parking brake firmly and then turn off the engine. Remember to always park safely and securely, especially on inclines, by leaving it in first or reverse gear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.